If you are considering being a developer, but you are not quite sure whether it's a good idea, these three reasons help you to find out why you need to be a developer. The first reason is about high demands. There is a huge demand for developers. At the time of writing, Indeed had 37,739 job adverts for developer in the UK and 1,045,640 in the US. Those numbers are only going to increase as the US labor statistics estimates a 17% rise between 2014 and 2024. The work can be very varied and interesting. As a developer, you can work on a huge range of projects from e-commerce website to computer games, from mobile apps to artificial intelligence. Almost all of the skills are transferable between each of these areas, and this means you aren't locked into a single job. And the last reason is about flexible job. The work can be flexible, as most of your work is reading and writing code. All you need is a computer. This means it can be done from anywhere at any time. There are an increasing number of remote developers who works from home or while traveling the world. So these three reasons will help you why you can find being a developer as a dream job.